Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger bug. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Messenger, and you need to update your Messenger. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for Messenger, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you click on OK, you simply need to log in into your account on Messenger. As you can see that I am on my account. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on switch account, and here you can see I have different account, so let me switch my account to this one. So here you can see that I simply switch to an account. So this is a process by which you can fix Messenger bug. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.